Hello everyone, welcome back to Control System Lectures from Hayatus. These lectures have been made on the basis of this book and it is best if you can follow these lectures along with this book. Okay, so you can find the link for the book in the description box. In this lecture we will see what will be the effect on the polar plot when a zero or a pole, when a new zero or a pole is added to the frequency response function. Okay, so first we will see what will be the effect of addition of pole at origin. Okay, so let us take a function here, g of j omega is equal to 1 by 1 plus j omega t. Okay, now for this function we will add a pole at origin, so it will become g dash of j omega is equal to 1 by j omega into 1 plus j omega t, right. Now here what will be the phase? Angle g of j omega is equal to minus tan inverse omega t, right. What will be the phase here? Angle g dash of j omega is equal to minus 90 degrees minus tan inverse omega t. Okay, so you can see that here when a pole is added at origin, the phase is changing by minus 90 degrees. Okay, that means the polar plot, it will be rotated by minus 90 degrees, or you can say it is rotated by 90 degrees in the clockwise sense. Okay, because negative angle implies that it is in the clockwise sense. Okay, now similarly what will happen when you add a 0 at origin? Okay, now the function will become g dash of j omega is equal to j omega by 1 plus j omega t. Okay, then here what will be the phase? Here the phase will be angle g dash of j omega is equal to plus 90 degrees minus tan inverse omega t. Okay, so here it is plus 90 degrees, in the case of pole it was minus 90 degrees. So in this case the polar plot will be rotated by plus 90 degrees, or you can say 90 degrees in the counterclockwise sense. Okay, so this is the case for adding a 0 at origin and this is the case for adding a pole at the origin. Next we will see what is the effect of adding a pole other than at origin. Okay, so if you take the same function, g of j omega is equal to 1 by 1 plus j omega t. Okay, now for this you want to add a pole other than at origin, so you will have g dash of j omega is equal to 1 by 1 plus j omega t into 1 plus j omega t dash, let us say. Okay, so this is the new pole that is added, which is not at the origin, it is other than the origin. Okay, now here you can see the phase, angle g of j omega is equal to minus tan inverse omega t, and here what will happen? Angle g dash of j omega will be equal to minus tan inverse omega t minus tan inverse omega t dash. Okay, so here you can see that this is the extra term. Now what will happen? At 0 frequency the phase will remain same. Okay, the phase will remain same because tan inverse omega t dash will be tan inverse 0, so there is no change in the phase. What will happen at omega is equal to infinity? Okay, here tan inverse omega t dash will become 90 degrees. Okay, that means a phase difference of minus 90 degrees is existing at infinite frequencies for the case of pole other than at origin. Okay, so here the polar plot is rotated by minus 90 degrees, or you can say 90 degrees in the clockwise sense. Okay, so you have to remember, for the pole at origin the entire plot is rotated by 90 degrees at all frequencies. But in the case of pole other than at origin, only at omega is equal to 0, the phase will remain same, okay, and as frequency increases, the phase will increase negatively, okay, and at omega is equal to infinity, it will be increased by minus 90 degrees, okay, the difference in the phase will be minus 90 degrees, okay. Now similarly, if you take the case of adding a 0 other than at origin, okay, here g dash of j omega will be equal to 1 plus j omega t dash divided by 1 plus j omega t, okay, and you can see that the phase here g dash of j omega angle is equal to minus tan inverse omega t plus tan inverse omega t dash, okay, so you have plus here. So in this case what happens is at 0 frequency again the phase will be same, and at infinite frequency the polar plot will rotate by plus 90 degrees, okay. In the case of pole it was minus 90 degrees, in the case of a 0 it will be plus 90 degrees, that means 90 degrees in the counterclockwise sense.